Hello everyone. I just came up with a new automation program which is a repeat load generator. First, let us see the use case. When it will be helpful. Say for example, you have a 3D model or a 2D STAAD model for which we have to do a P delta analysis. Unfortunately, you would have already generated all your combinations using your one program or some Excel sheets. In order to perform P delta analysis, you have to convert all these load combinations into repeat load, which is really time consuming. So if there are hundreds, nearly thousands of load combinations, then it will take whole day. And with this program, the complete process is automated. Say for example, let us take this particular frame building. We have around some 100 load combinations from 17 to 114. In order to convert those things to repeat load, all we have to do is go to the program, press get load cases. This will give you the list of loads which is already present, this list of load combinations which is already present in the model. Then all we are going to do is going to move those things to the right side, and we are going to generate the repeat load. And a warning message has been shown. It is indicating that the program is about to delete the load combinations to create a repeat load. Yes, I'm okay with it, and it is in progress. It is creating repeat load and it is done. We see the loads here. All our load combinations are converted to repeat loads, and the name of the load combination remain as it is for the repeat load as well, so that we can easily refer. With this automation program, the conversion from load combination to repeat load is completely automated, and it is too simple. If you like such contents, please do subscribe. I will be posting more such programs for STAAD automations, and hopefully I will be taking up tutorials on how to create these programs as well. And if you're interested in this particular tool, just mail me or reach me through LinkedIn. Thank you.